welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys over 50 different video ideas that will blow up and definitely grow your channel here on YouTube. I know right now a ton of people are starting YouTube channels. They're just looking for a couple video ideas that will get your channel a few more views, more exposure, find some more subscribers. So yeah, today I'm just going to be going over the 50 different ideas and sharing them with you guys. Hopefully this video does help you and it allows more people to find your channel. I would love if you guys could give this video a thumbs up. It really supports my channel, and subscribe if you guys are new. But yeah, let's just get into the ideas. Okay, so the first one is a what's on my iPhone. Pretty self-explanatory, but for some reason these videos just do super well. The one on my channel is my highest viewed video on my channel. No matter what kind of iPhone you have a new one or you have an old one, just do it and they're more or less guaranteed to get views. What's in my MacBook or a MacBook customization video. This is my second highest viewed video on my channel, and again, it's just super interesting to see what is on someone's MacBook and tips and ways that they can customize it. A room tour, or if you're in college or if you've moved out, you can do a dorm or an apartment tour. A day in my life, a week in my life, a morning routine, and again, if you're in college or if you're in high school, you can definitely tweak the title to be high school morning routine or college morning routine. Along with this comes night routine, so you can do college night routine, high school morning routine, just again tweak it to your life. What's on my iPad? These videos are absolutely going viral right now. I've seen so many people's channel just completely blow up from doing a what's on my iPad. A try on clothing haul. These just do really well and get a lot of views because your audience retention is going to be super long. Obviously, people are going to be interested in what you bought from the beginning all the way to the end, so your audience retention will be super long, which means then YouTube will then push your video out to more people. A drive with me, a current music playlist video. Again, these get tons and tons and tons of views. It's Christmas, you can do a Christmas playlist, you could do a TikTok music playlist, you could do just your current music, sit in your car, jam out, sit in your room, jam out. These just do super well. How I film and edit my YouTube videos, so just showing the kind of behind the scenes. I think for a lot of people that aren't actually making videos and doing that, they don't really understand the back end of everything and how much actually goes into it. So that would definitely be interesting. How I edit my Instagram pictures, just showing your viewers how you get your feed and how you get your pictures to look a certain way, if you have any presets, anything like that. 24-hour transformation, these are also super popular right now. Again, doesn't matter what kind of transformation it is, but anything with this in the title will get a lot of views. A college move-in vlog. I've never seen a college move-in vlog that doesn't have a lot of views. If you're moving into college this fall or you're just moving into a different apartment or house or whatever, definitely film it and make a vlog out of it. These do super well. I did Blank's workout. I know right now everyone's doing the Chloe Ting workout and showing the results, and that is super interesting. A room transformation. Clean with me. These are just super satisfying to watch. I just love watching people clean for some reason. And I actually recently did a vlog here on my channel that included a clean with me, and I got a really great response from that. A closet clean out or a huge room clean out, declutter with me. An everyday makeup routine, skincare routine. Ready with me for blank, so this could be for formal, for prom, for your first day of college, first day of high school, for work, for literally anything. Just get ready with me's are super good. What I eat in a day, this can again be tweaked. So if you're vegan, again, people just love seeing what other people eat for the day, and it gives you inspiration on what to eat yourself. A workout routine, especially right now when people are trying to work out from home, trying to get new ideas. And easy healthy breakfast ideas. I know I really like watching these just to get re-inspired and just to get some new ideas. This trend was absolutely huge on YouTube, and it is in ordering what the person in front of me orders. If you're not familiar with the trend, you basically just pull into a drive-through and you'll just say, can I just have exactly what the person in front of me ordered? And then you just see what it is and kind of make the video like that. It's just funny and it's entertaining. How to grow your YouTube channel. Like I said before, so many people are starting channels right now, and people are always just looking for ways and tips on how to grow their channels. So if you have some helpful tips, definitely make one of those. How to make money online or how to make money as a college student is also really good. I know everyone's always looking for a way to make some money, so if you have some ways or some tips that you want to share. This video is also super big right now, and it is my first YouTube paycheck / how much YouTube paid me. Basically just explaining these steps of monetization and walking through how you get that first paycheck and sharing the amount that YouTube actually paid you. I've literally binged so many of these videos. It's just so interesting for me to see different subscriber levels, different view counts, and how much they make. And then just comparing each, it's just super interesting for me. Next is a bikini try on haul. Again, these are so popular, especially Zaful or Shein bikinis right now. Those videos are blowing up. A thrift with me, an unboxing or a tech unboxing, a PR unboxing. Honestly, if you order packages, do an unboxing of that. Just, it's interesting to see what people get in the mail. An Amazon favorites video. I know these are super popular right now and they are literally growing people's channels like crazy. Going along with that, you can also do an Amazon dupes for designer items. So I know they have like a dupe for the Celine sunglasses. I think I've seen a ton of people post those on Amazon, or just other designer dupes. How much I spend in a week, again, you can tweak this to your own lifestyle. So how much I spend in a week as a college student, how much I spend in a week living in Los Angeles, how much I spend in a week living in New York. Trying on everything in my closet. I really don't understand the whole idea behind this whole video, but they seem to do super well on YouTube. So you basically just film yourself trying on every piece of clothing in your closet. A study with me, a plan with me, and this can be digitally or on paper, like in an actual planner. Again, it's just super interesting to see how people plan their lives and the different techniques and ways that they do it. Things I'm loving right now / current favorites. You can do these monthly or you can just do one of them. They're just super interesting. Pack with me. This can be, again, anything if you're going on vacation or if you're moving or if you're going to college. A self-care routine, so you can just show you doing different face masks and just anything that you do during your self-care routine. This video is also super big. It's reacting to assumptions about me. So you basically just post on your Instagram and you'll ask your followers to send in assumptions about you. And then you basically just make a video addressing all of them and reacting to them. Q&A, again, way for your audience to get to know you better. Self-tanning routine. Again, these videos seem to do super well. A back to school supplies haul. These videos absolutely blow up. If you're going back to school, then definitely show all of the supplies you got. A Christmas wish list or a what I got for Christmas. A sorority recruitment outfits ideas. These always pop up on my homepage on YouTube and they always have a ton of views. A college advice / experience. I know before I started college, I looked up so many of these videos just looking for advice. So if you go to a certain school, there are definitely going to be people looking for your experience just to get some advice before they go. My Instagram followers control my life for a day. So again, you can just post on your Instagram stories just different polls for the day and you can say, hey, for breakfast, should I have pancakes or should I have oatmeal? And then your Instagram followers will vote and the winning vote is what you'll do. Answering questions I've been avoiding, again, so you'll just ask your followers to send in a bunch of different questions to the questions you've been avoiding. The last one is an unedited day in my life. So you're basically going to vlog or film your whole day and you're not gonna edit it. You're not gonna put any music. You're not gonna do anything to it that you normally would when you're editing. You're just gonna be completely candid. So that was my video for today. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this and it gave you some ideas on what to film, or if you're starting a YouTube channel, it gave you guys some ideas that you know will help grow your channel. Like I said before, if you guys could give this video a big thumbs up, it really supports my channel, and subscribe if you guys are new. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!